party out here at the JW Marriott.
Gonna go check in. See you in a little bit. We got, what is it? A king, what is it called? There's the bathroom. It's a shower. So we stayed at the JW before in June. This is our first YouTube video. Actual video, not a short.
Yeah, yeah.
We had 2 queen beds last time, but it's our anniversary, so we just got 1 king bed.
I gotta try it out, see. Oh, that was good.
Comfortable?
I don't want to get up.
And then we got a little sofa sectional. Let's check this out. See if this is comfortable. And a little table.
No, actually, yeah. A little rough. Little, but I can still sleep in it. Oh, actually nice.
They have crown molding. It's very elegant. That's why we love the JW Marriott. Got a TV here. I think there's a fridge in there.
Complimentary.
Some waters.
Water. Small waters though, but it's okay.
Well, they'll give us more if we ask. Some artwork. A little working area. And then we have a view of this beautiful courtyard. The fountains, I think, come on a little bit higher sometimes.
Yeah.
I think people get married down there.
Mm-hmm. And then the new water slides.
And then, yeah. These water slides just opened. They weren't open last time we were here in June. So we're excited to try those out.
Beautiful wife. The courtyard area. It's a vibe out here. Got live music down there. About to have some drinks, just relax, look at the stars. It's gonna be a good night. All right, Elizabeth got the prickly pear margarita, and I got the 26 margarita. It's $26, so it better be outstanding. And now we try it. Oh, it's good, strong, just the way I needed it. delicious?
Yeah.
All right, and for dessert, we got the tiramisu. All right, sweetie, you try it. First impressions.
It smells good.
Sweet?
Nope, not too sweet.
Ooh, I'm gonna try it next. All right, now it's my turn. It's really good. It's not sweet at all. Well, it's like the perfect amount of sweetness. If that makes any sense, but it's really good.
It is.
You don't want the birds to bother us.
No.
We'll leave it aside.
So breakfast at Tia Carmen is buffet style. They got some ala frescos here. Pastries. Jam. Some muffins. Ooh, those look good. Gluten free. Fruit. Salmon. Some dips. Or cream cheese. All these toppings. Salsa. Feta cheese. Guacamole. Got some bagels here. Toast. I got all the hot stuff over here, so some potatoes, scrambled eggs, sausage. This is what I am excited about. The tres leches French toast. So good. This is plantain. Beef birria. Okay, this is really good too. I'm not sure how I feel about it for breakfast, but we'll try it out. Corn tostadas. And then some chile verde pork. Salsa verde.
All right, we're at the Tia Carmen. Got some coffee. I'm mixing mine up. What do you think, sweetie? Bold.
I needed coffee, so it smells good.
Yeah.
A little old for that. Little big?
I don't get those. That's kind of scary.
It's slippery. so nobody's really out yet. We're just checking it out. Here are the brand new water slides at the JW Marriott. Looks so awesome. Can't wait to try them out today. Which one are you gonna go on, sweetie?
All of them. I'm not looking forward to walking up all those stairs though.
Oh yeah. There's a Starbucks here. It's very busy on a Saturday morning. But I already got my coffee from Tia Carmen, so we're good on that. There's a nice store over here.
All right, and here at the JW, they actually do have a kids arcade, so you could get the cards and upload them there. I'll just walk through and give you all the some pinball machines. Yep, that's the Starbucks right there. And there's 2 fire pits, so there's one right there and then one right on the other side. And then this is your view. You really just get engulfed in the desert environment out here. It's very nice. I know I say very nice a lot, but it's true, it is.
Alright, over there was the Starbucks and the walking path we just came from.
Starbucks, yeah.
And if you come over here, there's a wildfire golf club. And then there's the golf course and the greens.